Hi friends, welcome to Knowledge Hub. Today our topic is Ohm's law. What is the definition of Ohm's law? We will study. At constant temperature, the current flowing through the any conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference between the ends of the conductor. In previous classes, we have already studied about current and voltage. In the description, I have given the links. Once go through it. Here I took one conductor, the length of the conductor is L. The ends of these conductor points are A and B. The current flowing through the conductor is I. The current flowing through the conductor I is directly proportional to the potential difference between the ends of this conductor. That means the potential difference between A and B. If the current flowing through the conductor I increases, the voltage or potential difference between these 2 points also increases. If you plot the graph between current and this potential difference between these 2 points, it gives the straight line which is passing through the origin. That means it gives the linear characteristics at constant temperature. If I remove this proportional, we will get one proportional constant, that is 1 by R. I is equal to 1 by R into V, or I is equal to V by R. Here R is the resistance of the conductor. What is this resistance? We will study. Now the same conductor I connected to the terminals of the battery. The battery voltage is V. Whenever I connected this conductor to the terminals of the battery, then current flow will be established. The current flowing through this conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference between these 2 points A and B. Now I am going to give the live example for this resistance. I took one pipe. The length of the pipe is L. The ends of the points are A and B. I connected this pipe to the one electric pump. Whenever I switch on the electric pump, then water will flow from A to B. The pressure at point A is not equal to the pressure at point B. Why the pressure is reduced at point B? Due to collision between the water molecules, the pressure at point A is not equal to the pressure at point B. Due to this pressure difference, the water will flow. If the pressure at point A is equal to pressure at point B, then water will not flow. That means flow will not be established. Similarly, potential at point A is not equal to the potential at point B. Why? Due to the positive ions and electrons collision in the conductor, the potential at point A is not equal to the potential at point B. Due to this potential difference, current flow will be established. Due to this collision between the positive ions and electrons, the electric energy waste in the form of heat, and it is denoted with R, that is resistance. The SI units of the resistance is ohm. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.